Hey Discord, welcome back to the solo. Is it worth it? So today's episode, we got this cool under here, and basically what this is a Bluetooth speaker. If you see for this one in particular is from the Anker brand, and this is called a Soundcore 2. So for this one, it's like a smaller version of the Soundcore boost that I reviewed in the past, and also like the Motion Boom, Motion Plus, etc. This is a much more portable version that allows you guys to bring along with you guys anywhere, but it still has some of the same features that's on here in terms of waterproof, water resistant. It has a strong sound, 24-hour playtime, etc. So first, I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like inside. So once you guys do open up, first thing inside, they do give you guys a little thank you note right there, but let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, first thing inside, they do give you guys a little box. Inside, they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right here, they do provide the USB to micro USB cable that's used to charge the product. And then right underneath that, we do have the speaker. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, you can see this is what the product looks like. So the front part right here, we do have the brand name. And right here is basically the speaker. So this is where the sound will come out when you guys do use it. If you guys turn to the back, they also have the brand name as well. But when you guys look at the top part right here, there's a few buttons. So there's a power button, there's a minus button, there's a play button, a plus button, and a Bluetooth button. And if you guys turn inside right here, if you guys do open up, right here they do provide you guys the aux option, and they also provide you guys the option where you plug it in to recharge the product. But like I mentioned, for the product, when you guys do use it, it is waterproof. So if you guys do get water on here, it should be fine. And when I mention how it's waterproof, it doesn't mean that it's salt waterproof. So if you guys get anything else on here besides water, it might not be protected. It definitely closes up before you guys do put in water. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And you see how it does have this non-slip material on the bottom as well to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And if you guys can see, the size of the product is not that big. It's actually pretty small. So it's actually very easy for you to put it into your hand and just carry around if you guys do need to. And if you guys can see, for the one that we got right here is a black color. They actually have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what to prefer. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So let's do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, and see for the top part right here, they do have a red indicator light to show you guys that it's charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the light will turn off or change a different color. And when you guys do use the product, you do have the option to use it wired or wireless. So let's do turn it on. Let me connect it onto Bluetooth. Alright, so I got connected. Let me play a non-copyrighted song. Alright, so when you hear the quality on here definitely sounds pretty good. And when you guys use the button on here, it also works as well. So this is volume down, volume up, and play button. And if you guys want to skip the song, you basically want to press the button 2 times for the play button right here. So let's test it out. Alright, so you see it does work. And then if you guys want to activate the voice assistant, you basically want to press on this button for a few seconds. Alright, so that is basically how you guys do it. And if you guys ever get a call on here, you basically want to press the play button 1 time to answer and 1 time to reject. And then if you guys purchase 2 of these speakers and you guys want to use this TWS mode, you basically want to press this button right here. And if you guys do unplug the cable, if you guys play the song again, if you see it does work. So really cool how it does give you guys the option to use it wired or wireless. But now let me actually go do a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not the product is actually waterproof. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have some water. Let me put the speaker inside to show you guys whether or not it's actually waterproof. So it's fully submerged. If you guys play a song on here, alright, So you can see the product is fully waterproof. So even if you guys get water on here, it still works. Alright, going back guys. So now it's a quick test of product, and that actually does work. It actually works quite well. If you see how when we do fully submerge the product in water, it does work. And it is fully waterproof. But obviously when you guys use the product, you probably don't want to submerge in water. If you guys do get water on here, it is fine though. If it's here, when we do test out the speaker on here, it definitely sounds pretty good. It has a good audio, it has a good bass, and just the overall performance definitely sounds pretty good for such a small speaker. And on top of all that, like I mentioned, that's pretty cool how it does give you guys a 24-hour playtime when you guys do use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality waterproof Bluetooth speaker that's super compact and very minimal, like the one that we do have right here. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one, and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.